Example of things you need: 2 to 3 sets of clothes and underclothes for non-ihram days, an extra pair of ihram, hijab and light colored abaya if you wear an abaya, an extra pair of shoes or slippers, your toiletries, unscented are better, dua books, tasbih, Quran and a journal if you like to record your thoughts. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today I will tell you about what should you pack for Mina. You will stay in Mina for 5 days. Including the day you arrive, you need to pack light and smart. It is a bit like how you would pack when going camping. Pack light, very light, with the bare essentials only. A backpack with the most essential things like ihram, daily clothes, mats and toiletries. Some snacks and your dua books is all you need. You can add a good quality sleeping bag along with it and a travel pillow for comfort. Some people like to add lightweight tents too for the night stay in Muzdalifah. It can get very windy and cold. Example of things you need: 2 to 3 sets of clothes and underclothes for non-ihram days, an extra pair of ihram, hijab and light colored abaya if you wear an abaya, an extra pair of shoes or slippers, your toiletries, unscented are better, dua books, tasbih, Quran and a journal if you like to record your thoughts, some tissues or wet wipes, a fanny pack with your documents and extra copies of it, one in your bag and one on you, a passport bag around your neck to hold your identity and papers, first aid or essential meds, Panadol, ibuprofen, a balm or for muscle aches like Voltron, Move Algecil, diclofenac for pans and sprains, antiseptic for cuts and bruises, a pack of band-aids, anti-embolism stockings to prevent swelling, any medicine you may need for your condition like hypertension or diabetes. Remember your ice packs and ice bag for your diabetic medications. What kind of shoes to wear in Hajj? Wearing comfortable footwear is very important. Don't wear anything new as it may pinch you. Wear it out a few times before deciding if it is right. Some people prefer slippers, sandals that have a little heel. Decide what you are the most comfortable in. Remember that the heat here is unlike anywhere you may have experienced. You will be walking a long distances. Make sure the footwear you choose is suitable for the weather and roads here. Slippers, slip sandals like Crocs, open-toed walking shoes, thick beach slippers are best. What kind of clothes are comfortable for women to wear during Hajj? Loose, light colored cotton material is best. Not leggings or denim, but think yoga pants and pajama pants. Maxi dresses, flared bottoms and jilbabs are best. If you wear an abaya, make sure it is lightweight and light colored material.